So hello, my name is Samuel. I'm a firefighter in Montreal. We're here to describe the equipment of a firefighter. So we have the helmet here to protect from any debris, the radio to call some help or to get some information to the command center, the flashlight for the dark eventually. We have if you can turn around. We have the oxygen tank here, which allows us to breathe for about 30 minutes in the smoke. This is compressed air, it's not oxygen, it's only air. We've got our axe, our main tool, or the popular axe of the firefighter. And he's not wearing actually, but we have a mask which is connected to the compressed air linked to the tank. So this is our coat. It protects from water and a lot of heat. The boots are made for to protect from nails and every kind of cutting things. He's not wearing the glove actually because it doesn't fit, but we have firefighting gloves too that resist to any kind of heat, most kind of heat. So that's about it. So we have different tools on the ladder truck. It's the truck that has the most tools in the service. So here we have things for water overflow everywhere, so we can clean a bit some things up. We've got some hoses, some spare hoses if we need some water through the cannon of the ladder here. We got some calls for the security when there's a car accident or we get positioned somewhere. It's for the main security of everybody. We've got some perimeters, which we use, you know, the yellow thing you see on the trees, perimeter. So we also got the main suit of the driver. He puts different kind of tools. So we got a Holligan, which is good to open doors, and it's a good tool to put some force on something, use some power on an average weight. You know, more hoses for the big buildings, you know, the big towers in the center of the city, the downtown. So we plugged in on every 2 stages before the fire. We plug in our hoses, and then we can extinguish it safely. Got some things for to work the wood a little bit, some plumbing, covering stuff for the sprinklers here. Some chains to patch things up. You know, we gotta have a lot of tools because we have to adapt to every kind of situation as firefighters. For the immobilization of the ladder, another security point, very important. So when we are on the idle, make sure the truck doesn't move alone. Some firefighters got killed this way, so this is a safety point. We got some chainsaws and got it a dumb in French. It's another kind of saw. So we've got metal. Heavy duty material to cut it with this.
To cut it.
And this is better for wood or for the rooftops and things like that. Here we have some bolts. This is to take off like if there's a fire on the floor here, to take off the gyps, you know, we just pull it down and we see if the fire is going through the walls. So this is the kind of thing we do with that. We've got other ladders in it. So these are hand ladders.
Small ladders.
Yeah. So if this one doesn't work, if there's something not working, we use these one. Here we've got some ventilation tools. So to extract the smoke into a house or a building, we use this kind of ventilator. So we plugged it on our generator here.
Okay.
We are independent for that. So This is to cover every kind of material. If there's water flowing somewhere, we can protect computers or things like that. This is for the water alimentation. So we plug it to nourish the ladder with a big amount of water. This is to cut the holes if there's a problem, like the coupling breaks or there's a link. So we just cut it this way and we replace it by a new one. Kind of thing we do. Here we got spare boots. We've got some the security attachments for when we go onto the ladder. It's about 100 feet high. So we clipped ourselves for the security up there. If you have to work outside a building, like to search into a wall if there's something passed through it, the fire has passed through it, or something like that. Here a big rope, it's always useful. So these are big cutters we can use for every kind of thing we have to cut. Our tools don't have a precise job. We use it for to adapt ourselves all the time. So that's it. So we have these lights. When there's a hole like on a rooftop, what's the main button? Okay, they change it. So this is to advise that there's a hole on a rooftop or something. We just put it nearby. Okay. We make a square, and then every firefighter knows that there's danger in this zone. So that's an important thing. The blue ones are for the exit on the rooftop. Like if there's a ladder like this one, with one blue spot on it, so we can escape the building by these blue lights. So electrical wire. That's it. That's most about it. Okay. All right. Be safe.